It's up. Today we're going to go through the process of getting your drone, your Eachine Drone, ready to fly. So here's what we have. Now this carrying case is extra. I bought this after I got my drone. So little packet so you can put your operating manual in here, all your little extras. The drone comes with a charging cable and a small little screwdriver. I'll show you what that's for next. The drone itself, here's your propeller guards. You'll want to use those. Battery. It only comes with one battery. Speaking of the battery, when they sell this to you on Amazon, I think I got it on Amazon, but when they sell this to you, they say if you leave a nice review on there about the drone, they'll send you an extra battery, and I did, and it's been maybe 9 or 10 months since I bought this drone, and I put a nice review on there and sent them the documentation that I did, and I've got nothing. So, you know, don't believe it. Propellers, these are spare propellers. Got a couple of those, and your remote. So let's put this together and get it flying. All you have to do is extend the wings, the props, whatever these are called. Anyway, so we're going to do that. Then we have to put the propeller guards on. All you do with the propeller guards is little holes right here. And you're going to just fit that in there like that and push them in. That's all you're going to do. So that's how it fits. And this will protect the propellers if you're flying around trees or anything else that they might hit. And there we go, all 4 propeller guards on. Now we got to do some pre-flight. Alright, after we have the propeller guards on and you're going to turn the drone on, here's the power button right there. Hold for 2 seconds, 1001, 1002. It'll start flashing. Then the remote, you want to extend the remote's antennas and just turn on the power switch. Couple beeps, and the remote is synchronized with your drone. Next thing we have to do is calibrate the gyroscope. The gyroscope, all you do is you take your joysticks and go down 45 to 45, the lower right hand corner, and the gyroscope is set. It's important to set the gyroscope. Then we're going to set the compass. This is the compass button right here. Push that, and then you're going to spin horizontally 3 times. Then you get a beep. Then you're going to take it and put it vertical and spin it clockwise 3 times, give or take, and then beeps. Now the compass is set. Now, all we have to do to get it airborne is this, and touch that button right there. That'll hover right there until you decide to take off with it. Then all I have to do to make it land is that. Okay, hey, hope that was helpful. If you liked the video, give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you would, leave your comments and questions below, and pound that bell to get notified of my future videos. Hey, thanks for watching. Back soon with more stuff. Bye-bye.